My name's Joel Pizzarulli and I'm with Cannon Companies. The project we're working on is a reclaimed water project for the city of Paso Robles and MCI as the general contractor. It's a 28-inch HDPE line. It starts on the east side of the Salinas River and it ends on the west side of the Salinas River. In order to complete this project, we used our 100 AT ditch witch drill. We had to use a American auger mud reclaimer because we didn't have a dump site, so we cleaned our own mud and reused it. We had a couple vac trucks and a few excavators out here. Some of the main challenges that we faced were groundwater, heat. We kept up with the groundwater with wells. MCI helped us with the wells, keeping the water out, and the heat was just lots of water, lots of water. Juan is the man we've been working with. He's the foreman for MCI. He's the guy that gets us our support when we need it. He's been doing this for a long time. MCI does have a lot of underground utility experience. Just a shout out to our HDD supervisor who's been operating the drill the whole time for this whole project. The supervisor's name's Cody Morris, our mud tech Corbin Trickett, and our vac operator Ryan Ivey. You can look us up online at Cannon Companies. We're a company based out of Washington, but we go all over the West Coast. We do great work, we've done great work, and big jobs like this and more to come.